Hey everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me on my media channel. And today we are going to be unboxing the limited edition 4K release of Rango. This is an Academy Award winning film for Best Animated Feature directed by Gore Verbinski, the director of, well, 3 of the Pirates of the Caribbean films, as well as other movies like Mouse Hunt and I believe The Lone Ranger. And this is an interesting movie. This is a movie that was produced by Nickelodeon. Doesn't feel like a Nickelodeon movie. It was also the first full-length animated feature film from Paramount Animation, who Paramount loved the end result so much they decided not to renew their deal with DreamWorks Animation. And I would argue that Paramount Animation has been run very, very poorly since, with the only other notable movie that they made being Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem. But this movie did win an Academy Award. It was a promising start for what ended up not being a so promising career. I don't know why they don't advertise that, except for right there, 2011. As you can see, it will include 2 versions, the theatrical and the extended edition. And I am so glad to see that this is on 4K. Now, I don't know how good it's going to look on 4K because, I mean, I'm not going to get into the whole technical aspects of it, but you know, capped resolution on computer animated films has something to do with it. But it looks like the original Blu-ray has been included, as well as all the special features. There's also a digital copy that's included. And let's open this and see what it looks like on the inside. This is a limited edition Steelbook, and I think it might already be sold out. I'm not sure, but I know that this is going to be like in limited quantities, but it is nice to see Paramount still embracing physical media in methods like this. So let's take this out. Gotta love all that. Ooh, that's good. So there's no overlap. At least I don't think there is. Let's hear. Oh, look at that. He's on the front now. That makes me nervous because that could get worn. Oh, well, that's not good. Okay, so no wraparound on the image, but let's look at the discs. Okay, so the Rango is in, or the 4K is in black. The Blu-ray is in blue. I'm going to remove the digital code. And we have this iconic shot from the movie on the inside of the case. Really cool, really fun. So let's put this back now. Something that I guess I didn't really mention, but it's probably worth mentioning. They kept Johnny Depp's name on the cover. Like, I assume that's because he won his libel suits, and so he's not exactly persona non grata anymore. But I think had he lost, they probably would have scrubbed the name from the cover, because it would be easy to do so. It's not like you can tell it's him just by looking at that, but who knows. So anyway, this is a very nice set, and great steelbook. Love the cover and everything. Got to take care of it, because otherwise this image could kind of go bad. But you know, one of the sad realities is, even though I buy the discs, I end up watching the digital versions more often anyway, just because of convenience. But I would like to know, do any of you have this? Do you plan to get it? And what do you think of the movie? Let me know. So comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I will see you at the movies.